Could I stay healthy forever, even in my old age? Of course, it is very simple, if you understand why and how you become sick. ATANG Semiconductor Laser Therapy Watch is the only one solution. ATANG Laser Watch is the one and only solution and prevents diseases from the root. From the beginning of your life, you watch people around you, and some of them are walking slowly holding a cane. They are confused. They do not see very well. You cannot communicate with them properly. But when you ask them how they feel, they tell you, "My friend, I'm in perfect condition." But you see them disabled, and you realize the guy is finished. They have compromised their sub-health because it is growing up with them, and they're doing nothing about it because they do not feel it. So they're waiting for the worst as well as the next disease, which is on its way. ATANG is the one and only solution. We get born, brought up with care, and all of a sudden, health problems or even diseases start. They do not come out of the blue, and diet counts only for the 15 to 20% of all the other health threats. So why are we getting sick or even die prematurely? Is it just possible that something is not working properly in our organism? Yes, blood becomes dirty, slow and sticky with clots. At the same time, red cells stick together, and as a result, we have low oxygenation in the cells and microcirculation that has a total length of 120,000 kilometers is partially clogged. Mitochondria produce less energy. Hypertension, arrhythmia, fibrillation, and other health problems begin. Cardiocerebral attacks are on the way. Diabetes as well. Erectile malfunction due to bad vasodilatation is occurring, so you're not going to be super powerful. Sub-health started while your blood is already slow and sticky. The first illness starts, and you visit specialists. You receive medication, pills, or fake medicines. You spend money, but problems are still there. Diseases and doses of medicines are increasing, even though you're walking a lot and you take extra care of your diet. Finally, you compromise and say, "I want my health and nothing else." Diseases do not come alone. They are followed by old age, which is merciless. Stop the malfunctioning of your organism once and for all. We have the solution, which is bloodless. Can be used at home without any side effect. ATANG Phototherapy for blood self-cleaning, so you can be healthy as you grow older. Phototherapy promotes self-healing like the sun, so your own organism, by cleaning its blood, increases the flow and opens microcirculation. Tissues and cells are well oxygenated and nurtured, and energy production increases in the mitochondria. The ATANG Laser Watch has positive clinical reports, such as lower blood viscosity, triglycerides, and cholesterol, as well as prevention and correction in cases of heart disease, arteriosclerosis, cerebral thrombosis, myocardial infarction, sudden death, etc. Vasodilatation also corrects a lot of health problems like erectile malfunction, so that you can be super powerful. Therefore, clean blood becomes medicine, and phototherapy is the technology to increase your life expectancy with health without diseases and medicines. It is bloodless, without side effects or interventions, application and pain, wherever you are. It is easily used at home for 15 to 30 minutes, once or even twice a day, on the wrist and into the nasal cavity for better and quicker results. It can also be used by athletes for the rapid removal of lactic acid. It is necessary to everybody over the age of 25 because it stops their decline, so they could achieve great performances. You should understand that we are not proposing you a prevention. We are offering an organism correction. Do not hesitate to contact us about any health problem you may have, even autoimmune diseases, even if you are sniffing or breathing substances, because it is helping also with withdrawal syndrome. Self-healing is correcting the organism. It may stop the problem or even the disorder. Therefore, your life will change. ATANG Phototherapy device with EMS for quick results. Positive clinical report. CE FDA certification.